My name is Michelle Fowler, and I moved here from Dublin, Georgia to Des Moines, Iowa. The moisture was coming down the walls in the corner and sometimes through the concrete floor. And I wondered when I first saw this house, it had all these wood storage shelves in every single room in the basement. And then I realized they put them in because the floor, they couldn't put anything on the floor because it would get wet. So I wanted to create a family-friendly downstairs area, play space for grandchildren when they come along. I was so impressed with the sales rep, Tyler, who came and was so patient because I always have a lot of questions. I mean, they went above and beyond my expectations. Because before, when I first came down here, it was kind of like a dungeon. But now I look forward to having people over and enjoying the extra space.